I believe there are people out there that have some crazy ass power. Tate goes against some of the things that those people agree with.
Bro, Jeffrey Epstein wasn't murdered in prison because he was against cancel culture, you idiot. He was working with the State Department to blackmail some of the richest and most powerful people on the planet. What are you saying? Andrew Tate is a broke boy. He went to Romania so he could be the Jeffrey Epstein on a budget, dog. No powerful person is afraid of Andrew Tate. The delusion, it's making me lose my mind. He is so stupid.